Hello, I'd like to introduce AskSmart. It's on the right side of your screen. This is a major new addition to AskSmart. AskSmart is an AI-based assistant to help you get and analyze data from AskSmart by typing simple English language questions or requests. In this video, we'll focus on 3D mapping. Our principal GIS product, GomCube, has been a leader in 3D mapping and analysis for 25 years. We have ported GomCube's basic 3D elements to AskSmart. Currently, we have analyses of nearly all producing fields. Let's say it's Shensi you want. Simply type "Show the Shensi field in 3D" into AskSmart. It automatically opens our geophysical viewer and loads 3D seismic data and our mapping of salt in pink. Below the salt, you can see vector data representing the field sands, wells, completions, and paleo data. Let's get rid of the seismic and salt. Now we're on to well bores. For the wells that have digital logs, they are displayed down the well bore. By clicking the Contents button, you can change logs displayed. Mouse over on a well shows the average value of the log for that well segment. Choosing the hot link in the info box gives you accesses to all of GomSmart's information. This includes our well log viewer, giving interactive representations of all the log curves, from resistivity and gamma to torque and mud logs. Also obvious along the well bores are the field's paleo observations. Mouse over gives you the bug. Clicking the little sphere produces our info box with the basics and hot link to more detail. If you click off the sands through the Content button, you'll see the well's completions and access details the same way. One more thing. If you click the second button on the right, it will expose available paleo surfaces for that field. Click on one or more to get stratigraphic control. Now let's get to the really big thing, 3D seismic. Click the seismic back on in the Contents button. On load, you can see stratigraphy and structure, and pretty clearly, a large salt body over the field. Click the bottom button on the right and expose sliders so you can slice the seismic on all three axes. Slice the seismic so it's closer to the sands and wells. Now turn salt back on. Using the last button on the right again, you can also slice through the salt body. You now have a flexible, integrated 3D model of Shensi. More important, you can use your own latest and greatest seismic. We are reliant on publicly released seismic that is at least 25 years old. ESA is now licensing the geophysical viewer to allow our clients to locally introduce their best surveys. For more info on the geophysical viewer, contact us. 3D is integral to what we all do. Through AskSmart, we are building increasingly powerful 3D web-serve systems to maximize the value of our data and yours and ease of their use. Please provide us with feedback on our 3D work. Explore and enjoy.